How to add friends in Scout. Are you guys facing issues to add friends on Scout application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add friends, first of all, open SKOUT app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now find the person you want to add by browsing nearby, checking messages, or searching the username. Tap the profile to open it. Next, tap the Add Friend button. The user will receive a friend request, or once they accept, you will be connected. Just simply tap on this heart icon to send the friend request. If they tap on the heart icon, it will match to your profile. Then after, you will be able to chat, view profiles, and interact with your new friends easily. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add friends on Scout. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up with the next one. Bye bye.